Mind mapping is a powerful tool that can help you visualize your thoughts and ideas in a way that is both creative and organized. This technique involves creating a visual representation of your thoughts, using words, images, and symbols to connect different ideas and concepts. By using mind maps for personal development, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your goals, identify potential obstacles, and develop strategies to overcome them. One of the main benefits of using mind maps for personal development is that they can help you clarify your goals and priorities. By creating a visual representation of your thoughts and ideas, you can identify the most important areas of your life and focus your energy on achieving them. Another benefit of mind mapping is that it can help you identify patterns and connections between different aspects of your life. For example, you may discover that certain habits or behaviors are affecting multiple areas of your life, and develop strategies to address them more effectively. To create a mind map for personal development, start by identifying the main topic or goal you want to focus on. Write this in the center of a blank page, and then add branches radiating out from the center, each representing a different aspect of the topic. As you add branches, use keywords, images, and symbols to represent different ideas and concepts. Don't worry about making everything neat and organized. The goal is to capture your thoughts and ideas in a way that makes sense to you. One of the most powerful ways to use mind maps for personal development is for setting and achieving goals. Start by identifying a specific goal you want to achieve, and then create a mind map with branches representing different steps you need to take to achieve that goal. As you work towards your goal, update your mind map to reflect your progress and any new insights or ideas you have. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and make it easier to track your progress over time. Another way to use mind maps for personal development is to identify and overcome obstacles that may be holding you back. Start by creating a mind map with branches representing different challenges or obstacles you are facing. Then, use additional branches to brainstorm possible solutions or strategies for overcoming those obstacles. By breaking down complex challenges into smaller, more manageable pieces, you can develop a clearer understanding of what you need to do to overcome them. In conclusion, mind mapping is a powerful tool that can help you achieve greater clarity, focus, and creativity in your personal development journey. Whether you are setting and achieving goals, overcoming obstacles, or simply exploring your own thoughts and ideas, mind mapping can help you unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling life. So why not give it a try? With just a few simple tools and some creative thinking, you can start using mind maps to transform your personal development journey today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.